What's up guys, Ryan here. So I'm making this video in response to a question I received via email from a website visitor, and they asked me what file format is required to upload to Amazon merch. I know this might be common knowledge to some people, but if you're just getting started, you might not have known. So if you try to upload anything other than a PNG to Amazon merch, you're going to get this error. It says file has incorrect extension. Please upload PNG files only. And most of the graphic design software out there, I mean, all of it lets you save files as PNG, but like sometimes if you're using services, I'm trying to think of one. I don't know if they'll maybe charge you to save as a PNG, but I'm thinking of like Canva.com, very popular browser-based tool for creating designs for print on demand. You know, they know that they know how popular Amazon merch is. So what do? They let you export as PNG, but they charge you to resize your file to the dimensions you need for Amazon merch. So there's usually like an upsell hidden somewhere if you're using graphic design software. If you're using like GIMP, which is free, then you should be able to export PNGs at the right dimensions that you need for Amazon merch. But I just wanted to share that Amazon does have a best practices in their resources, and it says you need to ensure that your design is in RGB with 300 DPI. Richest black, use 000, which if you are a web developer like me, or a graphic designer, I guess, you start to like actually memorize hexadecimal color codes. Final artwork files must be 25 megabytes or lower. Typically not a problem unless you're like taking pictures with your camera or something and then jamming it into like a rectangle. I always think of it in terms of pixels, 5400, I guess 4500 pixels wide by 5400 pixels tall, which equates to 15 inches by 18 inches in the real world. And there is, by the way, another page where they provide product templates and they're optimized for various popular print on demand graphic design applications. Photoshop, Illustrator, and GIMP are the ones that Amazon merch themselves provide templates for. So if you're just getting started with your Amazon merch journey, understand that the resource page, it used to suck, but they're actually putting some time and effort into making it better. So check it out. I'll put a link below in the description, but know that whatever graphic design software you use, you need to export as PNG. And if you're uploading to the standard design size, I'd say for Amazon merch is that 4500 pixels wide by 5400 pixels tall. Certain products will require different sizes. It's really hoodies and pop sockets, but also depending on if you're printing on like the back side of things, sometimes the design sizes change. Like the back of hoodies uses the standard dimensions. Also, if you only design for 4500 by 5400, there's a website called merchresize.com where for free you can resize your standard sized designs to hoodie dimensions, as well as optimize them for pop sockets where it overlays it against a black background as well. And it's a simple drag, drop, and download operation, and it does not upload them to the site. So free to use. They're not stealing your designs. What's not to love? Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, hit me up below, and I'll see you at the next one.